Are you an artist who takes a decision to be productive daily but seldom achieves it? Are you an artist looking for fun ways to practice your art and become a part of a larger art community? If yes, then this video is for you. Hi my dear viewers, I am Ashwati Harikrishnan, the human behind A Thing of Beauty. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk all about art challenges, specifically Inktober, which is an art challenge that is coming up in October. Without further ado, let's get started. Art challenges are these huge phenomena in the art community right now. The basic concept is to create art on a daily basis for a certain period of time. It's a great way to be active in the community, get feedback, suggestions, ideas, and most important of all, focusing on making art. What makes these art challenges effective is that they have a certain schedule or a time limit for completing it, which translates into better productivity. It lets you practice and practice and practice. I have participated in several art challenges and I've had great experience with each and every one of them. Each one has helped me develop my art in some way or the other. Moreover, it's a lot of fun. Inktober was created by Jake Parker. He created it to improve his inking skills and create a positive drawing habit. But now it has grown into a worldwide endeavor with thousands of artists taking part every year. There are no eligibility criteria, anyone can take part in it. Fundamentally, the Inktober drawings are made using ink, but there are no strict rules. You can use any medium. I draw digitally. I'll put a link for my previous Inktober playlist up here and down in the description below. You can pause this video, go check them out for inspiration, and be right back. Basically, you draw a picture and post it on social media or share it somewhere. You have to put, if it is on social media, you have to put a hashtag Inktober and Inktober 2020. You can do it daily throughout the month of October, or you can do the half marathon, post it every other day, or you can do the 5K, that is post every week. Whatever you decide, just be consistent with it. The whole concept of Inktober is to be consistent. Inktober is about growing and improving and forming positive habits. The more consistent you are, the better. There is an official prompt list for Inktober if you want to follow. You can follow these assets, but it's not compulsory. These are just for inspiration. How to complete the Inktober challenge without stress? If you're a traditional artist, get prepared with all things that you need to draw every day. And make sure you keep these supplies where you have easy access to, like your art bag or art case, or where you spend most of your time daily. I'll put a link for supplies which I liked when I was a traditional artist in the description. If you're a digital artist like me, you can make sure your drawing tablet and stylus is fully charged. If you have a mobile device, then you can put it in the focus mode so that you will not be distracted by any of the notifications at this particular time. Which brings us to the second point. Schedule a time every day. Find a time every day to draw. Find a time every day. It could be in the morning before you start your work, or during your afternoon break, or after all your work in the night. Whenever it is, make sure that it is the same time every day so that it will gradually develop into a habit. You will have a better chance to continue this even after the challenge. Point number 3, keep the prompt list ready. The official prompt list of the Inktober is made available well in advance before the challenge actually starts. This way, you will have ample time to think about the prompts and form your own interpretation about it. If you want to be even more prepared, you can prepare small thumbnails for each prompt, prepare in advance so that you're not going blank every day. Point number 4. Prepare color swatches or color palettes. If you plan to color your illustrations, then you can keep a color swatch with you. Or if you're drawing digitally, you can save a few color palettes specifically for Inktober. If you find the official Inktober prompt list difficult to follow, you can search Pinterest or Google for alternate prompt lists. There are many actually, and you can choose any one to your liking. As I said before, the whole purpose of Inktober is to create a positive drawing habit. So try to make it as easy as possible. There should be no pressure. You don't have to compare yourself with others. You improve yourself a bit every day, day by day. And that's what it's all about. So that's it guys. I hope you're inspired to join me for Inktober. Grab your supplies, schedule a time exclusively for yourself, and most important of all, have lots of fun. If you know other art challenges, share them in the comments below. What preps did you take to successfully complete it? How did it help you improve your art? And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on my future videos. So until we see you next time, see ya.